Welcome to another video. This is the Tonor TD510 USB microphone. It's a dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. If you're looking for a microphone that reduces background noise and only picks up your voice, a dynamic mic is what you should be looking for. This would do great as a podcast mic or a YouTube voiceover mic. There are also condenser mics out there, and those are made to really pick up all noises and picks up a lot of background noise, so not great for the purpose of podcast or YouTube. What you hear right now and throughout the video is the Tonor TD510 using the USB mode. The packaging feels pretty good, and inside the box here we find some instructions, a XLR cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable, and of course the mic itself. The mic has a good weight to it. It's quite heavy, and it kind of has a bit of a premium feel to it. The shell of this mic is crafted from premium zinc alloy casting, which is highly durable and resistant to corrosion. There are some tactile buttons on the top of the mic where you can turn on and off the mic and also adjust the volume. On the backside you have the outputs. As you can see, this mic has a USB-C and an XLR output. There's also a connection for a headset, so you can monitor your voice in real time. Here I'm removing the windscreen and revealing the mic itself. It has a cardioid pattern and a listed response range of 50 Hz to 14 kHz. So to summarize, the Tonor TD510 is priced at 59.99 euros or USD or pounds, which I think is a really good price for what you get. It offers a USB-C and XLR output, and it's available on Amazon in the US, UK, Germany, Italy, France, Spain and the Netherlands. This is not a sponsored video. I have bought the microphone myself to use on my channel, and what you have heard during the last minutes is actually the sound from this actual microphone, the Tonor TD510. The quality is really good, and I like the look and feel of the microphone. I just need some more time to work with the microphone, but my first impressions are that this is a bargain at this price point. Please like and subscribe to the channel. There will be plenty more interesting reviews in the future. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day wherever you are. Bye bye now.